In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in video in Kapwing. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to, of course, put in the video, and then this works the best if you actually have like a person maybe talking to a camera that has like a solid background behind. Now, it doesn't have to be a green screen, however, it's going to work the best with something like a green screen, because over here, as you can see, the screen or the background is one color, it's just from the color red, and I can go ahead and click on that specific video. I can go to the right side here, and I can click on effects, and when you do that here under effects, you'll see the remove background. Now when you click on that, it's going to start processing a bit, and then it's going to remove the background. Now as you can see here, it's not perfect, however it does, let's say, a decent job. Now of course it's going to do a much better job if you actually have like a solid background, there's enough of it, and that person doesn't wear like the same color of your shirt or whatever. But that's basically how you do it, and that's how you actually achieve this inside Kapwing. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.